Hello students. This particular video which I have prepared is majorly for the purpose of one very important point coming from this existing July attempt. Students, is this that you have to build across your preparation now on the basis of that you will prepare, learn, revise and write your test papers. Attempting for the test paper now, students, will become very critical aspect if you want to clear your May 22 November 22 examination in first shot. This is so integral, students, because of the fact kind of the question that now it is coming across. We can see the length of the question is on a higher, it is on a lengthier side. Primarily, it appears that it is now more to do with how the students do the selection of their questions. So the proper selection of the question is something which is a very critical part, which generally what happens is that entire during their study period or during their study leave, the entire focus of the students is to try to understand the concept and the memory based technique. That is it. I can tell you, students, this is the story of 95% students. They will try to understand what the subject is all about and thereafter build upon to the memory based technique. Very few students actually go to the last level, and that last level is probably to get into the test paper boards, and that is probably which gives them that level of advantage and the biggest edge. Because what happens, students, is that in the paper group 1, like 1 to 2 paper you find on a lengthier side, same is also the story for group 2. When you come down, and this has been the story I'm telling you, students, and therefore students find it very difficult to really complete their papers and all in time. I can tell you, students, with the example of the AR2, who was our particular, he in fact took our test series program as well. In which attempt? That was in January 2021. This was, I think, SCMP paper, and if I'm not mistaken, the paper was quite lengthy. But this student, because he could manage it well and he had prepared it well in terms of the test papers and all, so he could appear the entire 100 marks, and he has scored somewhere around 93 or 94 marks in SCMP. So that is probably what is the kind of a performance which is required, students. Completion of the paper is so critical, and that can be achieved only if you have done a very thorough test papers as a part of your preparation curriculum. So if I can just make a kind of a study plan for all of you is something like this, that your target student for those who are appearing for May 22 should be like by December you should be through with your all the subjects, those who are appearing for both the groups, so that you can thereafter plan for revision as well as test paper from January onwards. That exactly how a May 22 students should plan for. Same also for November 22 students, like you should try to aim to complete your papers and all, your learnings and your subject learnings and all by say April or May, when you are appearing for both the groups for November 22, and thereafter then you should probably plan for your revision and the test papers. In fact, students, we have started with our batch, Yodha batch, which has been there for May 22. In fact, direct tax and group 2 entirely has been started. And here, students, you will find one very important aspect, that the entire thing would be like completion of your syllabus by say October. So you complete your entire portion by October or so. Like direct tax, I can say by October you will be done with it. So by therefore, in this regard, what happens now? Herein, we will then be coming up with the revision plan immediately after October, and thereafter it will be supplemented with what, students? It will thereafter be supplemented with the very comprehensive test papers, test series. In fact, I have been doing like MTPs. Always I keep on coming with my model test papers, and that has been our hallmark, wherein the students really get that level of confidence to really crack this particular paper. But I am telling you, it is not only about one subject. When you plan for your entire 8 papers. That how I'm supposed to really go about in writing these particular papers and all. Students, even a theory subject like auditing and all, it becomes difficult for the students to write those particular answers in the examination, and they struggle thereafter. The things does not come naturally to them on the day of the exam. So the flow is missing. And that is the reason why I keep on saying to the students that you should try and make a very honest attempt. All of you should make a very honest attempt to at least mock 2 papers in each subject. This should be primarily your goal for your preparation for May 22 or November 22 examinations concerned. I just very quickly, students, will let you know about this batch, which is the Yodha batch 2.0. Although this batch has already been started earlier by us, so it's part A is already started, but still there are intakes that has been given to this particular batch. So therefore now on 14th of July there is another intake which has been there. Here in students, SCMP has been taken by Sachin Gupta sir. DT entire group 2 package, students, you will be getting it in terms of the minimum subscription amount. So SCMP would be by Sachin Gupta sir. I will be taking the direct tax paper, and Mahesh Gaur sir will be going with the IDT. This is a kind of the situation that will be there for us. Thereafter, students, also elective paper. You can choose any elective paper. All the elective papers we are offering, like economic law is taken by Amit Popli sir, Rahul Malkan sir is taking the financial market, I am taking for international taxation, and finally Kapileshwar Bhalla sir is taking the IFRS part. So you get also along with this the entire elective paper as well. Now students, herein the features, as you all know, live interactive classes are there, unlimited recorded lectures, multiple educator for all the subjects, doubt solving session every week, and practice of the mock test papers. So that is probably this is the benefit from one single subscription, that you get multiple benefits out of it. So like many of these students, you can see they have happened to be my students one way or the other. Like Vishal, he was there, Asik Raj, Vaibhav, and Mohammad Shabib. So quite proud to be mentoring them to securing their all India rank position. Students, what you need to do now herein, subscription has been given. One more part of this about the subscription, students. Supposedly, if some students want to take 6 month subscription, they can do it. What will happen? They will get additional 1 month, meaning thereby 7 months. It can become 7 months. So 12,500 rupees subscription, supposedly you are taking for 6 months, you'll get an access of all the 4 papers, the entire group, but your subscription will be counted for 7 months. So you will get the benefit for 7 months. If those who are taking for 12 months, probably, they will be getting plus 2 months. So it means that for 14 months, they can have the access to the entire content. What is the price? 15,500. I think from 6 months and 12 months, hardly there is much of difference, probably. And I will suggest that you should consider for 12 months, because if you put this code CADS, you will get additionally 10% discount also, which will bring down, when you put the referral code CADS, you will get additional 10% discount, which will bring down somewhere around 30,900 for the 12 plus 2, 14 month subscription. Okay. Along with that, if you want to take it for 6 months also, you can do that. 12,500 is the base price. Put this code CADS, you'll get 10% discount further. Okay, so, and you'll get the subscription for 7 months. This is the best particular part, students, which has been there. So do grab this feature and try to cover it up in this particular way, which has been there. So you get the access of the entire group 2, students. That is the best part of it. So summing up this particular video, students, ensure that those appearing for May 22 attempt, ensure that by December end you are done with your entire 8 papers if you are appearing for both the groups, and thereafter start planning for your revision and test papers. We will all be there for all the very high intense revision sessions as well as the test series as well. So you will find us probably hand holding you to this last mile. Okay, with that, students, I'm signing it off. All the best to all of you for your preparation, and God bless to all of you. Please do take care. Thank you.